Hi everyone, welcome to the Lovely Ladies Collaboration 2020, where each month on the first of the month we share a card or more that we've made, and we do go according to our theme. November's theme was gratitude, so I kind of went a little bit different direction than you might expect on this one. So let me show you what I used first. Let me move this aside. And we have to use little ladies, any kind of little ladies. I used this one. It's Gorgeous Girl. It's called Dear Apple. She's holding a little apple and she's got little hearts on her dress. I also used the apple and the 2 and A+ teacher out of Harvest Hellos by Stampin' Up, which is current. It's in the, I think it's in the annual 20 to 21 annual catalog. And I also used the thanks out of the Well Said set. It's a set of 2 stamp sets, and I just used the thanks in that. So let me show you what I did. So that was the Stampin' Up, and I used Thick Whisper White, Flirty Flamingo, Calypso Coral, Memento Tuxedo Black, and I also used this time the watercolor pencils by Stampin' Up, both sets, because I used Flirty Flamingo, a little bit of Cajun Craze, a little bit of Granny Apple Green, and then from this original set I used Real Red, Calypso Coral, and a little bit of Early Espresso, and I think that's it. And blender pens, blender pens I did use to blend the coloring with the pencils. They come in a set of 3 by Stampin' Up. So here, let me show you what I made. Here's my card. It's an A2, but I turned it horizontally. Oh, and this is Playing with Patterns. It's a 6x6 designer paper by Stampin' Up. So I used that because it had Calypso Coral. Now, it did not say it had Flirty Flamingo in it, but I thought that pink blending in with the Calypso Coral went well with the Flirty Flamingo. I used the Apple Builder Punch to punch out in Real Red the apple, and I used some scraps of Granny Apple Green to get the stems here. I stamped the 2 and A+ teacher with Memento Tuxedo Black. This heart's in Flirty Flamingo, and then Calypso Coral. Those are the heart duo punches in the annual catalog 151292. And then these are the layering ovals, also by Stampin' Up. I'm not sure this number's current, but because we don't call them frameless anymore. But the layering ovals dies, the 2 larger ones, are what I used. And Whisper White and Flirty Flamingo. So there she is. Oh, and I did use light and dark petal pink Stampin' Blend markers. Her hair is Cajun Craze and Early Espresso. And then I used a blender pen. Her little top of her hair tie thing, headband, is Flirty Flamingo. Her dress is striped Flirty Flamingo and Calypso Coral. Calypso Coral, the hearts are Flirty Flamingo. And red, Real Red, but you can hardly tell because they're so little. And her little leggings are also Flirty Flamingo and Real Red. And then her shoes are Real Red, and I sparkled them up a little with Winkle Stella, as I did the white background on her little dress here and up here. And then I, of course, used it over here and on the apple. So I think she came out rather cute. And then inside I just have a scrap of the paper, and that's where I stamped thanks. I didn't put any other image in there, but I left room for them to write. And maybe my daughter can use this for her little girl's teacher. something like that. So yeah, that's all I did for this month. Please go check out the others in the collaboration, which they'll be listed down below. And we are continuing this collaboration into 2021. So yay! And then we'll be adding another collaboration or two. So you'll have to wait a little while. I'll do an announcement video closer to the end of the year to let you know what's happening in 2021. So I hope you'll continue to join us on the first of every month for this collab, which we'll try and post at 7 a.m. Eastern, and another one which we'll try and post at 10 a.m. Eastern. Alrighty everyone, have a great day. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.